What's up, guys? Welcome to Onourshelf. I'm Jess, and today I want to do something a little different. I want to talk about, is the iPhone 15 still relevant in 2025? Let's talk about it. A lot of you have been asking, is the iPhone 15 still relevant in 2025? Is it still a good buy? The iPhone 15 was released in September of 2023. It was a pretty big deal. It was a huge upgrade for anyone coming from an iPhone 11 or 12. Let's talk about the design. It was a pretty big deal when they announced that they were going to switch to a USB-C port, and the design also has rounded edges, so it feels more modern and comfortable in the hand. Now, I have the blue color, and when I first unboxed it, I was like, no way, this is the color blue. This looks white or pearl or something, but no, it actually is blue. Their other colors are black, green, yellow, and pink. You see the blue right there? Yeah, that looks white. Come on, Apple. With its liquid glass and aluminum design, the 15 feels fluid and up to date, just like the 16. Here are your external buttons and connectors. On the left side of the phone, you have your ring silent button and your volume up and down. On the right side of the phone, you have your side button. On the front of the phone, you have your built-in stereo speaker, built-in microphone. And on the bottom of the phone, you have a USB-C connector, built-in microphone, and built-in speaker. This iPhone 15 has 128 gigabytes, but they also offer 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Now, I like the design, the liquid glass. It looks very modern and very nice. The performance is very smooth. It has a great camera. The video recording is amazing. The iPhone 15 offers including 4K video recording, and the iPhone 15 camera is a solid 48 megapixel main sensor that produces detailed photos. It's still fast. The battery life is still good. The call quality is still good. The iPhone 15 has a Super Retina display with a 6.1 inch all-screen OLED display with a 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution with a PPI of 460. Yes, so great camera and video performance. Some cons of the iPhone 15 are it doesn't have Apple Intelligence. The color options can be a little uninspiring, and the iPhone 15 can be slower when it comes to charging. The iPhone 15 has an A16 Bionic chip, which offers a powerful performance. It's very capable of handling demanding tasks like gaming and web browsing and modern apps with ease. It has a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. It has up to 20 hours of video playback. So for the most part, I think Apple did a pretty good job with the theory behind this phone, because there's a lot of good things that this iPhone brought, and it still holds up very well for this day and age. Now let's talk about the price. You can get an unlocked iPhone 15 starting in the $200 range USD, but prices vary depending upon storage, color, condition, so it can be considered affordable. Now, if you're coming from an iPhone 12 or older, this iPhone 15 will be a pretty decent upgrade for you. If you're coming from an iPhone 13, not so much. But this phone, the iPhone 15, is worth it in 2025. This phone is a lot bigger and wider. I want to talk about holding the iPhone 15. Now, previously when I had the iPhone 12 mini, which was really small in my hand, it was really comfortable and lightweight. Holding the iPhone 15 now, it's actually not that bad. I really like it. I've always kind of preferred the smaller phones, but this size is actually nice, not bad. It feels very comfortable in the hands. The surface is very smooth, and it has this pastel-like color. Now, the display has an OLED screen, and it gets super bright outdoors. And I also wanted to point out that the back has a softer feel, so it doesn't really pick up on fingerprints like the old models. So my experience with this version has been great so far, and it's great with multitasking. So for most people, the iPhone 15 is a highly recommended and worth it purchase in 2025. It's a combination of a powerful processor and modern features. I think it's a great choice for someone upgrading from an older iPhone who wants a significant performance boost without paying the premium price. However, it's important to acknowledge the drawbacks when it's compared to the latest models like the iPhone 16 and 17. But the question again was, is the iPhone 15 still worth it in 2025? And the answer is yes. All right, you guys, I hope this video was helpful. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Take care. If you want one of these iPhone 15s, I'll put some Amazon affiliate links down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.